Hi, everyone. My name is Angela Barrientos, Children's Librarian at the La Puente Library. We are here to join in on our summer discovery program for the LA County Library System. We encourage reading during the summer so the kids can continue to learn and grow in their reading skills. We also provide fun art activities where babies and toddlers can take part in and help grow in their reading skills. And today we're going to do just that. I will be demonstrating how to put together this fun art activity called DIY Pop-Up Puppet. One way small children can make a pathway into reading is to practice repeating nursery rhymes. And we have also learned the importance of play because it benefits a child's development. It is through play that children at a very early age engage and interact in the world around them. With our DIY pop-up puppet, we can bring to life the nursery rhyme, Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Repetition in nursery rhymes is very useful in developing a child's brain. It improves their memory skills and comprehension through new words that they encounter. Now, let's move on to the fun part. I hope you were able to pick up an art activity kit that was distributed at all the LA County libraries. And I'm going to show you what hopefully you have at home. You should have your nursery rhyme card with the Old MacDonald Had a Farm song, nursery rhyme. You've got some popsicle sticks, the farm animal cutouts, glue stick, and your envelope, which would kind of look like this as well. Okay, and then some scissors. If you've got some scissors at home, they will come in handy as well. Okay, and so I wanted to also mention that in case you didn't get to pick up your materials, your art kit at the library, you can also print out some animal cutouts as well. Or you could even draw some animal cutouts. Okay, so this is what I printed out. Like I said, you can also draw your own animal cutouts as well. Okay, and cut them out, just in case if you didn't stop by the library in time. So let's start with our first step is to grab your popsicle stick. Okay, and you're going to grab your glue stick, and all you're going to be doing is adding that glue onto the popsicle stick. And as we're adding the glue onto the popsicle stick, I want us to practice naming the animals and also what sounds they make, because we're going to sing the nursery rhyme song, Old MacDonald Had a Farm, and we're gonna say what animal it is while we're singing and call out the sounds they make. So it's gonna come in handy. So we're gonna start off with this animal. It's a pig, and it makes the sound oink, oink, oink. So let's add that to the popsicle stick. Okay, and we're just going to continue on adding glue. And holding onto the glue stick might be a new skill for your little one, so that's okay. Take some time, helping your child add that glue. And we've got our next animal is a cow, and it makes the sound moo, moo. Again, we're practicing because we're gonna sing the nursery rhyme song, Old MacDonald Had a Farm. All right. And we got our next animal is a horse. And what kind of sound does the horse make? Neigh, neigh. Just add that glue, press that cutout down so it stays on there. We got a couple more animals to go. The animal cutouts that you received at the library may vary. You might have gotten these same animals that I have here, or a different type of animals. That's okay. And just press on that cutout onto the popsicle stick. And our next animal is a duck. And the sound that it makes is quack, quack, quack. And I've got my last animal here. It is a hen. And what kind of sound does it make? What kind of sound does the hen make? Cluck, cluck, cluck. Again, we are pressing it down onto the popsicle stick so it stays and the glue can stick onto that popsicle stick. And the next step, if you've got your scissors around, is to slice open the bottom of the envelope that's closed. Cut it with your scissors. That's all you're doing. It's making a little hole in there of the envelope. And that allows for your popsicle stick to slide up and down. So it should look like something like this. All right. So, like I said, we're going to sing the song, Old MacDonald Had a Farm. You guys ready? Okay. If you don't know the song, that's okay. We'll sing it together, okay? All right. We're starting with our first animal, a horse. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. All right, we're moving on to our next animal. And I also wanted to mention what I did was color the envelope and made it look into a barn house. So you have that option just to kind of liven up the activity. And we're just going to slide in the next animal. And it happens to be a hen. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a hen, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck everywhere, cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Okay, we're moving on to our next animal. I can't hear you guys sing, but I'm sure you're singing great. I hope you're having fun at home. And we're moving on to our next animal, which is a cow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. We got two more animals to go. And you just slide it right in and it pops up and down your envelope and you have a pop-up puppet. And we move on to the next verse of the song. This is a duck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack everywhere, quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And we've got our last animal. And I have a pig. Show you what that looks like. And it's our last verse. You guys ready? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With the oink oink here and a oink oink there, here a oink everywhere, oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. I hope you guys had fun singing that with me. And I think we got a little bit more time. So I'd like for the audience to join us and Michelle, my colleague, who's our host. And we'd like to play a little interactive game with those of you out there. Okay. So I'm going to describe the animal cutout puppet that you guys just made. I'm going to describe it, and our host Michelle and you guys out in the audience can type it in the chat. I'm going to describe it, and you guys can try to guess what I'm describing, what animal I'm describing. You guys
All right, I'm ready. Let's get
All
started.
right. Okay. So this animal, you can find it in the water. It has webbed feet, and I'm really going to give it away because I'm going to say it quacks.
That's a platypus.
It's not a platypus.
Oh,
Good try, though, Michelle.
aw. Okay, so I see that some of our viewers have come up with an answer. Is it a duck?
It is a duck.
All right, you guys got it right. Good job.
Good job out there. Good job. All right. And we've got our next animal. And this animal is white usually. It has black spots
Mm-hmm.
and um, it gives milk.
Is it a goat?
Good try.
Oh, shucks. Yeah,
Okay,
looks like our
cow.
audience member did say that it is a cow.
Good guess out there. And what kind of sound does a cow make? Moo. One of my favorite sounds to make. Okay, I think we got time for one more animal to guess out there. Okay, you guys be ready. This animal has a beak
Mm-hmm.
and it lays eggs.
Beacon lays eggs. Can we get another clue?
It has feathers.
Okay, looks like one of our audience member guessed that it's a chicken.
It is. It's a
Good
hen or a
job.
chicken. Good job. Good job. And what kind of sound does the chicken make? Cluck, cluck, cluck. Good job, you guys out there. And thank you all for participating. Thank you, Michelle, for joining in on this fun game.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And we just wanted to give you guys another option on how to use these fun puppets at home. Just use your imagination, creativity, and have some fun.
Yeah, looks like you have a couple of resources you might like to share with us.
Yes, definitely. Michelle, if you can add them into the chat.
Will do.
Thank you. I found a couple good articles on the importance of play and learning nursery rhymes, how those can be the building block to learning literacy skills. So to those of you parents and caretakers out there, if you want to do some further reading and gain some more knowledge about that, go ahead and look at the chat. Michelle's going to post the titles of the articles, which you can access on our database, on our website. We have some databases on our website, lacountylibrary.org. I put in the titles and you can search for those articles as well. And I also found a really cool website. It's called readingrockets.org. It's a great resource for various book lists and literacy news. You can definitely tap into that to get some more information. And I also listed a couple of books that can give you some more nursery rhymes to read through and sing along with. And of course, you can find those books at any of your local libraries, and any librarian will be more than willing to help you guys search. And I hope you have enjoyed making this kit along with us. Thank you for joining us. And to learn more about our virtual activities or in-person activities, please visit our website at lacountylibrary.org.
Yeah, looks like we have a few questions. So,
Awesome.
how do our viewers search for events just for babies and toddlers?
Definitely, you can go on our website, lacountylibrary.org. There's an events button, and you can filter the age and type of activity and even location to find a library that's nearest to you.
Wonderful. And what other simple puppets can our viewers make at home?
Definitely, like I mentioned earlier, you can print out your own from Google Images. You can draw your own. They don't have to be animal cutouts. They could be shapes that you're trying to learn or trying to help your child learn. And then you can also use if you've got some paper bags at home, lunch paper bags in the kitchen, you can make those into puppets and kind of have that puppet effect as well.
Yeah, those are all fun and wonderful suggestions. Thank you. And can you give us some more information about the online resources?
Oh, definitely. So we have a lot of online resources. You can always go on our website, lacountylibrary.org, and you can download apps that are connected to our library system. For example, Hoopla. And through that app, it's a free app. You sign up and you can download ebooks, audiobooks, watch movies, all for free. All you need is that library card and PIN number.
All right, sounds great. Um, I know we have a question or a comment in the audience. The little one says meow. So it might be a cat puppet that will be made later today.
Oh, that sounds fun. Yes, use your creativity, and there's tons of animals out there. So just have fun.
Yeah, and one more tip that all of our LA County libraries, every card holder, they get to print 10 free pages a day. So you're more than welcome to go to our library, look up some animal shapes or any figures you like, and you can print them out and make them into puppets.
Yes.
All right, looks like that's all the questions we have for today. Thank you so much, Angela. That
Thank
was
you,
a
Michelle.
wonderful program.
Thank
Thank you so
you.
much for joining us and look for more information about upcoming virtual events on our website, lacountylibrary.org, and follow us on social medias for the latest updates. Thank you very much and have a great rest of your day. Bye. Thank
Thank
you.
you.